The Sudan war has recently intensified on the city of El Fasher in the west of the country. The paramilitary group Rapid Support Forces, or RSF, has besieged the city, while the Sudanese Armed Forces, or SAF, have launched airstrikes against RSF positions. So why is violence escalating in El Fasher? 5 of Sudan's federal states are in the Darfur region. The focus on El Fasher has to do with controlling Darfur.
It is the last stronghold of the SAF in the wider Darfur region. So capturing it from SAF would be a huge symbolic victory for the RSF.
Controlling Darfur would mean access to precious resources.
Darfur in general is extremely rich in resources, gold, silver, and iron, and so on. And also it has livestock. It's rich in livestock. It's rich in grains, agriculture. And also Hemeti, who's the head of the RSF, the militia, he controls one of the largest gold mines in Darfur. And that gold mine is one of the reasons why he's able to finance the war, because El Fasher specifically is the gateway to Libya and to Chad, where the RSF gets its arms.
But there's also another historical motivation that has brought war in El Fasher.
The distinction in Darfur is that the majority of the African tribes are based in El Fasher, in the northern part. And the RSF is mainly made up of the Arab Sudanese tribes, as well as other mercenaries from other countries. So if El Fasher falls, what the RSF will unleash on these people will be horrendous beyond anyone's imagination. It's a matter of superiority, cultural and ethnic superiority.
According to the UN, the war in Sudan has triggered the largest humanitarian crisis in the world.
The UN estimates that across Sudan, over 2 million people have been displaced. A famine has been declared in parts of Darfur, and not being able to secure supplies to the city is really just exacerbating an already dire situation.